Hey everyone, it's Reed, and you're watching MOI. Today, I got a real quick video because I'm short on time. If I want to get it up, it's got to be quick. But first, let me shout out some other channel I like. And it's called Prescott Caliber Club. I like his channel. It's full of all sorts of manly things. And he also makes me very envious of how often he gets to go shooting. Darn thing. And it made me think of his channel because I'm going to make a video this weekend called Save the Environment, Go Shooting. And you guys get to see what that one is. And hopefully I will get the diorama videos up this week as well. Goals. Let's see if we can hit them. But anyways, let's get on to today's topic. So if you guys have seen in my garden updates, I had some problem with my potatoes. Like, horrible problems with them. They don't grow very well out here. And every type of potato I've tried other methods, all these other things, yeah, not very well. Now, Liberty Garden did point out that what I probably need to do is rearrange the soil a bit. So I got a plan. I did a lot of research on that, and yeah, I definitely think my soil is part of the issue. So I'm going to rearrange it. I think I know what to do on that. But the plants themselves do not like it out here. I need a strain of potato that's going to be happy for me. Well, how the heck are we going to do that? Well, got a hold of, I'll zoom in on this as best I can here, real potato seeds. Now these things look like tomato seeds, but this is from a source in the US, and the guy's been breeding potatoes that happily make berries and you can get seed out of. And he's over, I think, Utah or Colorado, whatever. I'll put a link to him. You can go find him in the description. He's a interesting guy, but like most people in the prepper community, we're all kind of interesting, right? So my idea is, since everything else what I do here is I grow things from seed, select the best of that generation, grow again and again and again, and then poof, I eventually get plants that actually do pretty darn well out here. That's what I'm aiming for with the potatoes. Long-term goal, I mean, it's probably going to take me, I don't know, 5 or 6 generations to actually start to get a decent one, and probably by 7, I'll actually have one. So when I get there, anyone else who's in the horrible deserts trying to grow potatoes, I'll let you know. So if you're still watching in 7 years, you'll be like, Reed, you got some amazing potatoes, send me some. And I will. But that's my plan, and the quick video for the today. I hope it was interesting, hope it gets you thinking. And honestly, growing from seeds is pretty amazing. You get stuff that really gets used to your area. Really does. And it's like when you plant stuff from the stores to try to get a new strain, you forget, wow, my stuff grows so much better. Well, take care, everyone. Hopefully I'll have something far more entertaining tomorrow. And hope you have a great evening. This is Reed, out for now.